What's going on, YouTubers? Sneakers in the Fox. Got another review for you. It's Adidas Yeezy Powerphase, the Calabasas, the all black colorway. Got some mixed feelings about these. The material is kind of like real light and flimsy here. Real light and flimsy. But I do like this colorway though, and it's not really all black. The colorway. If you look in, you can see the tongue. It's got like a charcoal grayish color to it, and then even on the heel here at the back, it's got like a grayish tone to it. Then you got the gold Calabasas. That's one of my favorite parts of the shoe. And then my other favorite part of the shoe is the Adidas and the logo. You got the Adidas in green and the logo in red. And I think that's really dope on the sneaker. But pretty much, I'm a little disappointed just in the material itself. But besides that, the look of the shoes are pretty dope. I like the shoe. I do like it. So what I'm gonna do is we'll do an on-foot review, so just stay tuned. And we got the on-foot review coming on. And just remember, like, subscribe, comment down below. Peace.
It's red clay to the grave, you can bet that. 8 towns on 6, it's a bet. I call the glimpse of the future and y'all ain't bet shit. Bunch of pre-K flow about your outfit. Not as deep as the puddle get, but I'm an ocean with the flow. Even scholars gotta study it. A couple bottles of Guinness and I'm a menace. With better blows the foes until the click is diminished. So let's roll. Head time, nigga, what to do with I flow. Open my head to choke on my words and die slow. Files verbatim, I they bait him to kill, bro. Kinetic, frenetic, energetic, needed aesthetic. When your boys have to set it like broken bones. The tallest he known for being dead wrong. Gone. I'm an addict who still addict, causing havoc. They melodramatic, trembling panic. It's automatic, causing static. Whatever I spit, cataclysm, head on collision. It's a murderous shit. Oh, bet that, nigga, you can bet that. Bet that. It's hip hop, you can bet that. Bet that. Zone 6, you can bet that. Bet that. 8 towns on the bet that. Yeah, nigga. Don't get the fucked up, you see us with them backpacks on, homeboy. Real lyrics right here. Enjoying the time, nigga, live your life, man. Live your life to the fullest, homeboy, cause it's so short. Nigga, we nothing but saying specs on the timeline. Do you, cause I'm doing mine. Sipping on fine wine. Bad Brazilian dime.